머리를 한번 자를 때가 된 것 같습니다. 처음에 고민을 진짜 많이 했어요. 한인 미용실에 가서 잘라야 되나, 그냥 온 김에 어차피 아직도 여기 지내야 될 날도 많기 때문에 한번 그냥 여기 현지 미용실을 가보는 게 어떨까 하고 예약을 했습니다. 처음에는 그냥 진짜 집 앞에 있는데 아무 데나 들어갈까 했는데 남자는 머리빨이라고 괜히 또 조졌다가 또 하고 또 한 달 내내, 두 달 내내 모자만 쓰고 다닐 수 있는 그런 불상사가 생기지 않게 하기 위해 이렇게 좀 뭐 리뷰나 이런 것들을 봤을 때 좀 괜찮은 사람으로 예약을 했고, 과연 에이시안 머리를 친구들이 얼마나 잘 자를 수 있을까 걱정이 되긴 합니다. 이게 모질이 생각보다 너무 많이 다르기 때문에. 그러니까 우리 에이시안 남자들은 머리가 많이 뜬단 말이에요. 홍씨야 나중에 맹구 되는 거 아니야? 아 맹구 될 것 같아. 내려서 이제 걸어가고 있는데 긴장이 되긴 합니다. 사실 이게 제가 좀 까탈스러워서 이런 거예요. 제가 워낙 좀 이렇게 머리 이런 거에서 약간 예민하고 그래가지고, 물론 그렇다고 지금 머리도 내가 잘라놓고 이제 완전 괜찮은 건 아니지만 생각보다 예민합니다. 병실은 여기 차이나타운 쪽에 있네요. 근데 지금 들어가는 길을 못 찾아가지고 헤매고 있습니다. Excuse me? I'm looking for 420 Dundas Street West, Toronto.
Here.
Here, yeah.
Yeah.
And how can I go to the upstairs?
How can we go to upstairs?
Yeah, it's in a second floor.
4 to 4.
Thank you.
My
Yeah.
next,
Uh-huh.
no, the second one.
The second one
The
and
second one in the second floor.
second floor. Thank you. 부럽다. 여기는 1인 샵처럼 되어 있네요. 이런 식으로 1인 샵. 느낌 너무 좋다. 머리 잘 잘라서 뭐 상 받은 건가? Grew on my hair for 1 year, but it's really uncomfortable to me right now. So I want to cut it off to the middle lengths.
Okay, do you have a picture?
Yeah, but it's really embarrassing to show you a picture like this one.
Okay, cool.
It's like a classic hairstyle, right? Yeah.
Okay.
This one. Yeah. A little bit more longer.
So you want like that but longer.
And my back hair, and it's really dirty, so want to
You
clean
see,
it up.
you see how like you can't see the back hair in his. You see how it's kind of like short. But
Yeah.
He doesn't have like this.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
You're okay with one
Yeah,
that
yeah,
short?
okay. It's
Okay,
really
awesome,
totally okay.
perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I'm not his face, but yeah, I want to challenge you.
How long have you been in Toronto for?
Only 3 months.
Okay. So what we'll do first, Alex, we'll start with the sides, and then we'll come back to the top after.
Okay.
Good?
Okay. I know that it's really hard to cut the Asian hair.
Yeah,
it's
you know.
because it's really different between Western and
Yeah, I cut every type of hair, bro. So
okay.
you know, I'm kind of comfortable with every texture. So
Okay.
is that okay? More or less?
I have to see
Less?
after cutting.
Okay, but
Yeah, okay.
this is good to start.
Yeah, good to start. Yeah,
Okay.
it's okay.
Perfect, awesome.
Wow.
Yep, it's official now, bro. No going back.
Yeah, okay. It's okay.
So you're here for school or?
Oh no. I'm here for working.
Okay, what do you do for work?
But actually, I don't working yet. I heard the Toronto winter is too long,
Yeah, it is. It is.
and it's really feel like it's gloomy. So yeah, I'm just enjoying the summer first, and I will get a job at September or October. Yeah.
So in Korea, do people like the show Squid Game or not? Not really.
Not really.
Not really. It really popped off though, man. People got so into it over here.
Oh yeah, I know. I heard that. You like it?
It was interesting, yeah, for sure. I mean,
Actually, I did that games when I was a child. It's a Korean.
oh really?
Yeah,
Those games.
yeah, it's a traditional game, and also the actors are really popular in Korea.
Yeah, that girl is
Yeah.
beautiful, man.
Yeah.
I forgot her name, but
Skinny girl, right?
Yeah.
His name is Hoyan.
yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah.
I like the Korean culture. The Korean culture is very cool.
Oh really? But you know the Korean cultures are also restricted
Really.
for many things. Like a Korean old man doesn't like tattoos.
Right,
Like that.
right.
Yeah.
Conservative.
Yeah.
Interesting. The older generation.
Yeah, that's right.
But the younger people, they don't care.
Yeah.
How long have you been speaking English now?
Just started in Korea, but I went to many countries before came here. So
Okay.
yeah,
Where else have you gone?
too many East Europe.
Oh, really? Where in Eastern Europe?
Poland, Czech,
Czech Republic?
Yeah, Republic and Hungary,
Okay.
Slovakia,
Wow.
yeah,
Interesting.
Austria. Yeah.
I'm from Romania actually.
Ah.
So it's close by to
Yeah, I know.
a lot of those places.
Oh,
Very similar culture, you know. So what do you think about the band BTS? You like
BTS.
You like them?
I like them because worldwide star. Yeah.
Yeah, they're huge.
And they make Korea more popular.
Definitely.
Yeah, so yeah, I like them and I support them.
You like the music? Are you like a fan, or it's like whatever to you?
Music. And also they're really good at dancing, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah, very good.
Yeah.
For sure. My old coworker, she loved BTS.
Oh really?
Oh my gosh. Yeah, she went on the online concert because they had online concerts.
Oh, because of COVID?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But she would like spend so much money on the toys, the BTS toys.
And albums.
Yeah, she spent a lot of money on BTS. She loved BTS. This was big. This hairstyle was big maybe like 10 years ago
Yeah, right.
when Justin Bieber first started.
Yeah. Oh, can you do a little bit more shorter here?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, thank you.
No problem. So when you become a YouTube celebrity,
Yeah.
you remember?
Okay, I will
me.
remember
Yeah.
you. Okay.
Yeah, man. I want to be your barber even when you become a
Wow,
celebrity.
thank you. Going to 10 million.
That's it. That's the road to 10 million.
Yeah.
No joke, man. Like I can't even believe it. Like I found the cheat code. It's like a hack.
That's the short video, right?
Yeah, that's exactly.
Okay.
I think someone has to rewatch it a bunch of times.
Yeah.
That's
Do you,
it.
do you have another Korean customer?
I have people with Korean background.
Background.
Yeah, they're born here.
They're born in here.
Yeah.
Okay, I understand.
So I would say I don't think I have too many like Korean-born clients. Like I have people who their background is like they were born the first generation in Canada. Their parents are Korean. It's like a real BTS. I love it. It's fun.
I love BTS.
What would you call it?
CTS.
CTS. Very cool. Yeah, you're a very cool guy. Yes, sir. Take a look, man.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Definitely.
And I know it seems stupid, but brothers ain't seen no love, they need Cupid. Even though we're winning, we're still sinning. And this ain't gonna change overnight, it's deep rooted. Flashbacks.
Okay, cool.
You like this light?
Yeah, I like it.
I'm just gonna clean everything up, double check everything, and then I'm gonna take a video.
Oh, okay.
Good to go. Definitely, man.
Thank you.
No problem, bro. My pleasure. Let me make sure I'm following you up on. Oh, if you need this here.
Oh, thank you. Okay. D? Zero.
Zero?
Oh, no, in English.
Oh,
Yeah.
zero.
Yeah. H. Yeah.
This is you?
Yeah, me. 일단 머리가 짧아지니까 어색하긴 합니다. 지금 이제 뭐 한 1, 2년씩을 길렀는데 머리를 이렇게 자르고 나니까 좀 어색한데 일단 오늘 머리 잘라준 친구가 너무 얘기도 잘 들어주고 잘 해주고 너무 친절했기 때문에 더 좋지 않았나. 가격도 좋고 괜히 혼자서 머리 잘라가지고 뒷머리 망쳐놨었는데 앞으로는 돈 주고 머리 잘라야 될 것 같습니다. 이제는 짧은 머리로 영상에서 뵙겠습니다.